smaller? Thanks. Let's try sparring again.
Oh-ho! Let's... Oh, you son of a... Oh-ho! You'll come and fight me at the big game.
I'll make you cry and... Let's try sparring again. I think...
Oh-ho! Let... You did good.
Next time I'm gonna hit...
Ya sekali.
Here, have these...
Is it time yet?
Yeah, just rub those...
I can't believe you're doing...
I have my own reason. Anyways...
Oh, seems not...
Dog, you don't know...
Okay, no kiddie gloves now. I'm going to shred you into so many pieces. Not even a bureaucrat with OCD could piece you back up again.
Dog, come on. The show's over. Let's go home.
My name is Wilkes Mondongo. wolf is hungry for dog food.
Oh, it's together.
The signal doesn't make it this far. I don't need directions here. I don't need to carve that out.
Mas ngapain ya?
A clever disguise.
It's Dog Mendoza! Run, everyone!
What the hell, pizza boy? I was so close to paying my debt. I mean, solving the case.
Seriously? No one noticed but me? Seriously?
Gentlemen, our boss has called for you. Ricardo Forte wants to see you now.
That's great. I'm also looking forward to...
Well. It's all his fault. Oh, don't blame. We liked having you here. And you left a good...
I knew you lost all your money.
Oh, please. Like I could ever... We were not counting on you. Now, tell me what you know. What?
Okay, this time... Well, Dog was out of...
You came to the casino. Now, tell me what you...
Okay, this time... I was just trying to find this fat bastard. This...
That still doesn't end. Now, tell me what...
Okay, this time... Caveira sent me.
That's impossible.
How do you know?
I'm not the one being... But now that you mention Caveira...
You should know. Your mark is all over the place.
My mark? How so? What did you find on the scene that tells you I was behind this horrid incident?
Well, you were obviously connected. You had motive.
What makes you say so?
I saw what you did in those...
What do you mean?
I saw what you did to
Those were special effects.
But if they weren't...
Look, human.
Damn. I told...
But now that you mention...
You and I know...
Yeah? And who would
She has black hair.
exactly? Who are you?
When I met Romero, he...
And you believe it?
I never said it was a...
You didn't need to.
I was so sure I got it.
But now that you mention...
Well, it's obvious Dog did it.
What? Pizza boy.
He killed him. And he...
And I'm going to kill you if you keep...
You see? Now he's going to kill...
I'm amazed you made it all... Enough! Even if I...
And there goes my...
But now that you mention Caveira...
You and I know...
Yeah? And who...
She has black hair.
Exactly who are you?
The person who left the note.
Which note?
You know which one. If so, you either put...
That could be anyone.
No. It was for someone specific.
And that leads you to believe...
Good. At least... Well, you must have...
All powerful.
Yes, but I wasn't old, and it's difficult.
Yes, the three of us. We...
And, like I said...
And, like I said...
Romero seemed to think...
It's a shame dead men...
That could also be said about...
And I'm questioning you.
Yeah, but the theory, if it's not you,
And who could that be?
that's the question you should be asking.
They would have better chance.
And that's what will happen. And guess who is holding the...
Yes, it is also.
What? Has he... So, you admit it?
I'm getting bored.
Questions like... Who were all those monsters?
They were nobody. No one asked.
Why something?
Javera was Romero, was me. It was a little when you were born strong.
What happened to the girl?
She was gorgeous, and that was her. It was. That's what I want.
One thing still
Wouldn't you like to know?
Nah, sekarang kita diikat kaki di kepala,
So,
kepala di
Hotel
kaki.
Romero, Chinatown, Hotel
Ya,
Romero
kita depannya
again,
teman-teman.
the theme park, the casino, and now we're back here.
Yep. All while...
You don't know what hurdles are.
I don't really care, Doc.
That was quite a... Hey, don't say that. That doesn't matter. Here, surrounded by all these Please, Savior, are you sure? That won't sway me.
Now that you mention it, a last dinner would be nice.
Fitting, as your...
Is that a yes?
No.
Can Dog go first?
If that happens, I will haunt you in the afterlife, Pizza. It would be too much of a hassle to untie.
But if we're stuck together, our statues won't look as cool.
That wouldn't be a concern. The heat may scorch you. I wonder what your...
You are truly scary. I always wanted to have my mem choreography would be a little stale.
Yes, we won't...
Come on,
Even though I tied you...
If I can't have a last dinner...
That's actually a... I'll bring you some water.
Haha, I see. Okay, Dog, what's the...
There's nothing to do but...
Deus Ex Machina is...
Have a little faith.
Don't say that, it makes...
Your face is... I see I can't leave you. Be careful with that water. I would... Well, we're not the only... I told you that... Haven't you heard us?
And I saw her at...
If that's so...
She looks an awful lot like...
Which statue?
Hey!
This cheap floor. Are you sure? There is no... Be careful with that water. It can't be you. Get away from me. Hey, be careful with... You idiot. Haven't you seen on the...
Oh no! How can I help?
I meant Pizza Boy.
Ew! Don't you dare...
There must be some way or mechanism to set you free.
Wait!
It's complicated.
Girl's right.
It's all your fault!
I never asked you to...
Yes, you...
That's open for...
Hey, what?
What? Here, Pizza Boy.
Hold them off! I'll...
Oke teman-teman, sampai sini dulu ya. Besok kita lanjut lagi di episode terakhir ya.